Hey, what's up everybody? This is Peter from Bilbo's Marine, and today we are going to go through some frequently asked questions. Let's get into it. All right, so the first question we have is how often should I wax my boat? I get this question all the time, and honestly, a lot of people just don't know. One, because South Florida, where we're located at, is much different than, let's say, Massachusetts or something. The sun's not near as close in Massachusetts, so it doesn't affect the gel coat near as much, right? So my customers that have their boats up north, maybe wax their boat once a year and they never get any oxidation, the boat never fades. Then they bring the boat down here and then just in a few short months, say 4 months, their boat starts fading, gets oxidized, and they're just like, well, what's going on, And that's due to the Florida sun, and the salt in South Florida is the most brutal conditions for a boat. Over my experience, we've learned that, top side of your boat should get waxed 3 months if you don't have a cover. Cover is one of the best things you can do to protect your boat from the sun and the elements. So if you can get a cover, 100% get a cover from all the way to the top, going down to the chine of the boat to cover up the hull. And you'll always notice like the sun gets, the boat gets hit more from the sun on one side than the other. So let's say one side's super shiny, the other side's starting to get cloudy and fading. And it's a lot easier to keep a boat nice and shiny and waxed while it's new and when it's new, as opposed to letting it go to that fading and oxidized point. We can bring it back to make it look new and look shiny, but then the shine only lasts so much less than if you just kept a new boat waxed. So the customers that come to us with their brand new boats that we wax every 3 months, stay shiny, they look great, we never have to touch them in the compound. We'll maybe get some polish to get some imperfection out of there, but for the most part, they are 10 out of 10 in condition. Topside, every 3 months. If you don't have a cover, if you do have a cover, then just once a year. You're really, it's getting hit on the sun 300 and, depending on how much you use your boats, 300 days less than it would be, if you didn't have a cover. So hull, depending how much sunlight you get, you should really, it doesn't get the direct sunlight from the top. So every 6 months we recommend, just twice a year. But if you are, starting to notice some fading or you have a dark colored gel coat hull that gets really hot and dries out, every 3 months for those type of boats, that color. Now, if you have painted hull, that's totally different. Twice a year, you're not gonna have, any fading or, burning of the surface if it's paint. So I hope this helped, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.